Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. I am bringing you 2 DIYs for Valentine's Day. The first one is this really cute love sign using pretty much all Dollar Tree products. Let's get into what you'll need. I found this really cute love sign at the Dollar Tree, as well as this hanging welcome sign out for Valentine's Day. And I just went into my stock of Oops paint. So I'd actually considered at first painting the love sign white, but I decided to go with black. So definitely think about your color scheme and what you like for Valentine's Day, and go ahead and pick out a paint that goes with your theme. You could always do this in pink or any kind of metallic, white, pretty much anything. So after painting it, I thought it needed a little distressing. So I went ahead and took out my little sanding block from the Dollar Tree and went to town on all the edges, just to make it a little bit more rustic and more to my liking. So now let me show you what I did. I went ahead and separated the welcome sign, and on the back there's just little places where there were staples. So I filled them in with some joint compound I had on hand, sanded them off, and this is what they look like. So now I'm just going to touch them up with some red paint I had on hand to just cover those little areas. Now, unfortunately, I had recorded this and lost the footage. All I did was took my hearts and hot glued them literally on top of the butterflies. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I did that, facing the letters backwards. And there you have it, the finished product. I think it turned out really cute. And all I really invested was $2 buying the welcome sign and the love sign from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you're a crafter, you probably have paint, sandpaper, and hot glue on hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first DIY. And now let me show you what we're going to do for project number 2. So as many of you will remember, I took you all to Home Depot in my last DIY. Well, this is the extra piece of wood that I had the gentleman cut for me. It's right around 12 inches long, and this is what we're going to be making for project number 2. So the first thing I needed to do was go ahead and sand off the rough edges on my piece of wood. Now, what you're going to need for this project is some sort of either wood or sign that is horizontal. This one's about 12 inches. I pulled out some wood stain from my stash. You could always use paint, a stir stick, some gloves, and a rag. Now, I love these little screwdrivers from the Dollar Tree because they're great for opening cans. So I've got my stain all stirred and ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and stain my board. Now this project was actually inspired by a clearance find. This summer I was in Hobby Lobby and I found an X and an O back on the clearance wall for 39 cents each. So here are the letters I was telling you about. I found an X and an O, and they were very affordable. Now the good thing is you can find alphas anywhere, from a craft store to Walmart. So if you are actually good at lettering, you wouldn't even need to pick these up. I was not going to leave that up to chance. So just pick whatever color you like. You could even glitter them. So once my letters were painted, I decided I wanted to use one of the hearts from the Dollar Tree sign in the middle. So I just used my hot glue gun to glue them all down. And there you have it, a super simple, super easy, and inexpensive Valentine DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed both of these projects and are inspired to do a few of your own. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video.